Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So we do have US interest rate coming out tonight. Definitely a very big news event for the dollar. So all dollar pairs are definitely going to be affected by that. And I will be live streaming on YouTube for that. So make sure you stop in later on tonight for the YouTube live stream for the interest rate news. But anyways, I still think this is an uptrend, and I still think it's going to continue to trend up. I still think on the monthly time frame, it's eventually going to make a five-way pattern to the upside, probably eventually take out these previous highs, and most likely end up looking something like this, probably going out to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I actually think the wave two is already complete. I think we had a running flat wave two. I think we're already in a wave three. I think that this is a wave three and it's just a subdivision of that wave three and that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, probably all part of this wave three. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it may end up being a one of three and then we may now be in a wave two of wave three. Most wave twos do take out the low of wave four, so I mean, if this really is a wave two, you would actually think that it would go down, take out this low, and before it actually did end up continuing the uptrend. So we definitely want to keep it in mind. I mean, it doesn't have to do that. I mean, we already got three waves down, so we may end up, end up continuing the uptrend from here, but I do suspect that it may keep going down, take out the low before it actually does continue the uptrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, this whole pattern looks extremely corrective to me. I mean, it looks like a big ABC correction down, but then it looks like it made an ABC correction up, which is kind of making me think that today's news may actually cause the dollar pairs to go down, and eventually it probably will go down, take out the lower wave forward, just like I was explaining on the daily time frame. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. It actually looks like we have three ways down right here. So if this turns up, it may actually be a nice little long opportunity between now and when the news comes out. I actually think that if this looks like this at the news or before the news comes out, then there's going to be a very good likelihood that the news will cause the dollar to go up and these dollar pairs to go down. But we definitely are going to have to reevaluate this a little bit closer to the news to see what it does over the next, whatever it is, 8, 9 hours to reevaluate to see what it actually does look like at the point of the news. So hopefully you guys all stop in for my live stream later on when we'll have a better understanding of what the news is going to actually do. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.